I'm gonna scream. I just broke my palette. Hey, hi sisters, welcome back. I just kid you not dropped this palette so hard though, and I'm honestly not surprised that the mirror broke, but I'm pissed because I like this mirror. Okay, we did a little bun because I was looking really fucked up. We're gonna use this because I've been trying out something new. So I got a request, not really.
My friend told me that she likes to watch videos where people just do their makeup and talk. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really hope this works because this is dry. So we better hope this works. Oh no, I got an idea. I got an idea. We're gonna use some of this on top of it.
Like last night, I was sleeping, right? I was in my bed, I was sleeping. You know what it is? Oh, there's so much. Okay, well, we'll save that for later.
I was sleeping in my bed, right? Having a good old sleepy sleep. And then I suddenly have a dream. And honestly, when I have dreams, I can never, ever remember them. They just don't, like, they don't stick.
This one, I woke up triggered. In the dream, it was one of those dreams where you're getting, kid you not, chased by like a bad guy. Like you're getting chased, and I was getting chased. And this took place in my house. That's why I'm even like more peeved out, because I'm gonna be home alone for the next 4 hours. And I practiced this look last night, and it took forever. So if I really mess this up right now, there's gonna be an issue. Did you hear that noise? Okay, we're gonna go on with some yellow. Okay, so basically I was getting chased by that guy, the Scream guy, right? Which is so stupid because I'm not scared of the Scream guy. He's literally like a guy in a white mask wearing like a robe. So it's stupid to start off.
I'm getting chased by the Scream guy, and I'm with all of my friends. I know all my friends are watching this. Haley, you were in this dream. Brianna, you were in this dream. Angelica, you were in this dream. Francisco, you were in this dream. Vanessa, you were in the dream. Melina was in the dream. Monique was in the dream. All of my friends, every friend that I can think about was in this dream.
Mind you, not all of my friends get along the best. But in this dream, we were all friends. And that, you know, that's fine, whatever. Like, who cares, like, right? And we were, like, having fun. Like, we were at, like, a fire in my backyard. Like, we were doing, like, a
fire in my backyard, right? And it was fine and dandy, whatever, we're having fun, we're laughing, playing games and stuff. It's all fun or whatever. Vanessa's like having a good time. And then suddenly we hear a noise, and it's like a noise like shriveling, like bushes moving. And we're all like, did you hear that? Guys, did you hear that? Like we're all like, did you hear that? Did you hear that? It's like 10 at night, right?
And by the way, my brother, he's 9. He's, for some reason, he's also there with us, like having fun. I don't know why. I don't know where my mom was. I don't know where my sister was. It was just literally all of my friends.
So we're all like whispering like, did you hear that? Did you hear that? And we get all quiet and we're like, shush, 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 like we're shushing each other and everything. And out of fucking nowhere, the Scream guy, he comes out of mother effing nowhere, and he has a knife, and everyone runs in different directions. We're all running in different directions. I remember me and Monique, we were trying to run out the front door, and I was holding my brother's hand, because obviously I'm not gonna leave my brother to die, right? At the front door, there was like an exact replica of the guy, and so we start running back, and I run into my mom's room.
And I'm supposed to be with Monique and Dominic, right? Monique and my brother. The dream gets all weird, and suddenly I'm in the room alone. I'm in the room alone, and I have all this gear around my head. And bitch, it's like everyone's standing outside next to the Scream guy now with Monique and Dominic, which, remember, they were just in the room with me? No. Now they're outside looking at me through a window, looking terrified, screaming my name like, Juliana, no. And I'm literally about to get electrocuted to death, right?
He presses his button and I start getting electrocuted, and I'm supposed to fucking die after that, right? I don't die. I pretend to be dead, though, because I'm like, if I pretend to be dead, then dog can't kill me if he thinks I'm dead, you know? So I freaking like had been electrocuted, but I wasn't dead, and he thought I was dead because I dropped, and I acted like I was dead.
Like laying down in the middle of the room with the door locked, frozen, right? Everyone outside is watching me, including my brother and my bestie Monique. And then they all start running again. Like they're all like, oh my God. And they all start running, and the Scream guy's chasing after them. I don't remember who lived and who died. But I was just in my mom's room playing dead, just fresh electrocuted. And I stayed there for a long time before I was like, what if he comes back in and he sees me breathing, like he sees my chest moving, and then he tries to actually kill me again. So I'm like, nah, boo, like, new plan, boo, like, we can't just sit here. So I get my ass up after just having been electrocuted, dog. And then, like, when I get up, we're in a different location, and I'm like, this dream really about to ruin my life. Because, like, I was scared. Like, I was scared. When I woke up, I was, like, shocked. From then on, I don't remember. I just remember I was in a different location, and I was in the living room with Monique, and everyone was gone. I don't remember if everyone just had died or what, but it was only Monique in the house, me in the house, and Dominic in the house, and then the weird-ass scream guy. So, me and Monique are in the living room, and we're, like, back to back. Because we don't know where this guy's gonna jump out of, right? And I don't know where my brother is. I just know that he's in the house, but we don't know where Dominic is. Out of the corner of my eye, I'm right here, Monique's on my back, right? We're back to back. I see Dominic, and I'm like, oh my. He's hiding behind his, like he's hiding in his room, kind of. But I could see him from the living room. Because he has the door open, which I don't know why. Like, my dream makes no sense, right? And all he says is, he mouths the words, run. So immediately, I start running to my mom's room again. Mind you, the front door is right here. We were literally right here in this living room back here, and the front door is right here. I literally could have ran out of the front door with Monique, but I think the reason why was because I didn't want to leave anyone behind. Like, if me and Monique had ran, what if Dominic didn't know to follow us? Or if Dominic was trapped with that one guy? And then our little brother would be deceased. So I was like, I didn't run. I ran to my mom's room. And as I'm running, the scream guy pops out of nowhere. And he starts walking towards me. Not chasing me, walking. Walking, bro. Walking. And right before I slam my mom's door in his face, he shows me this thing. And it's like a bunch of knives, and I'm like, okay. And I slam the door in his face, right? The door locked, because I locked it, obviously. And I freaking push my hands on the door, like I'm pushing all my weight on the door to, like, so he doesn't fucking bust his ass in, right? All of a sudden, all you hear is like, fling, like a knife. Like when you sharpen a knife, it's like, fling. All you hear is that noise. And then blades start going through the door where my whole body is pushed up on it. And I think that happened, kid you not, didn't that happen in the Scream movie? Where he starts pushing blades through the door? Or was that like a Chucky movie or something? Because that has happened in a scary movie before, right? I'm freaking out. I don't know where to put my hands because I don't want to get stabbed in the hand or in the freaking gut or anywhere. And I'm all screaming. I don't know what to do. I don't know where my brother is. I don't know what happened to Monique. Because if he was following me, he walked right past Monique. And right when he busts his ass through the door, I wake the fuck up. And I was like, I do not know what just happened. And I was creeped out. I was peeved. I didn't know what to do. And I was like stuck in bed. Like I didn't want to move because I was scared. My mom had already gone to work, so there was nothing I could really do. I kept on thinking of scenarios like how I could have done better, like do better, Juliana, honestly. Like I could have done way better. And all I kept on thinking about was what would I do if I was actually in that situation. I was locked in my mom's room. And I immediately started thinking, hop out the window, because right when you get out of her window, you're in the backyard. And then hop the neighbor's fence and start banging on their backyard door. I can't talk. And so that I could like call the cops.
Yo, Duque, pick up the phone. Yo.
What's up?
As for what happened to my friends, dog, I couldn't tell you. Oh, this looks so cool. Oh, the white in this palette is garbage. Both of these, look at this one. Oh god. I'm gonna go and do this eye off camera because this eye is always the eye that I struggle on. I'm gonna do that off camera real quick and I will be right back. Okay, so that took forever. And I did my foundation like the base, but we still need to put on all the bronzer and the blush and the blah, blah, blah. So while we do that, I'm gonna tell you another story. I'm actually really truly offended, so live with it. My sister starts laughing and I'm like, why are you laughing? And she's like, oh, I have to tell you a story. And I was like, okay. And she was like, so when me and mom were, like, when we went out, ew, this is so ugly, I need to fix that. When me and mom went out, I told her that I know her favorite child is Dominic, which is our younger brother. There's literally something stuck in my eyeball. So she was like, yeah, I was telling mom that I know her favorite kids from least to greatest. And I was like, oh, really? Right? And she was like, yeah, first it's Dominic, because obviously he's the youngest and, you know, he needs the most attention, whatever. So Dominic's the first. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, actually, you're right. That's true. And then she goes, then I'm next, which would make me the least favorite child. And I was like, okay. And she was like, because you get an attitude. And I was like, we all got attitudes. We all got attitudes. We're children of my mom got the attitude, okay? We got the attitude from my mom. And so I was like, so basically I'm the least favorite. And she was like, and my mom was standing right there too. And she was like, okay, well, Dominic is the first priority because he's youngest. And she was trying to justify it. My mom was trying to justify why Dominic was the favorite kid. And now basically not even trying to say, no one is my favorite kid because you guys are all even. No, trying to justify why Jasmine's answer was correct. I was like, so I'm the least favorite kid. No answer. I was like, let me just calm down. I'm losing my cool. I am losing my cool. This look is so cool. My hair looks so bad though. My sister and I, we almost got into it one day because I was like, that song was on the, I don't know if it was that song or Barbie Tings. Barbie Tings is one of my favorite songs though. Like right now, like it's one of my favorite like lit songs. Like you know how you have like a whole playlist for when you feel a certain way. So when I feel like I'm ready to, I listen to like Nicki Minaj's Barbie Tings or Chun-Li. And one of those songs was playing on the radio and I was like getting into it and everything, like, oh, let it sink in, you know, like getting into it. My yellow right here is dissipating. And I was like, damn, Nicki been making some good songs recently. And my sister was driving.
And she has the nerve to go, she needs to. And I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? And she was like, lately Cardi B has been killing the, I was like, don't even. Not that I have anything against Cardi. I love Cardi, but come on. Don't even compare Nicki Minaj and Cardi B. I'm so sick of it.
People act like, let me relax. Cardi just got started. She just became relevant with Bodak Yellow. So I love Cardi B too. Like I really do like Cardi B's music. But Nicki, she'll just always be the queen. And then my sister tries to be like, yeah, but Nicki has more plastic surgery. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? So fucking what? This highlighter is cute. She's always been a little cutesy pootsy wootsy. Because you can make her really subtle or you can wet her and pack her on and make her really poppin', you know?
I wanted to be on Bad Girls Club. Kid you not, I was going to sign up to be on Bad Girls Club because I wanted to be in it so bad, I swear to gosh.
But they canceled the show, which, garbage. Absolute garbage.
I hated, what's her name? I think her name was Tabitha.
I've been filming for way too long. Okay, we're gonna just do like a little speed through thingy. We're gonna do some stuff on the lower lash line, like some eyeliner, white eyeliner. So we're gonna add some liner and then some mascara because I forgot to blend them and they look atrocious. Not from right here, but from up close. And I'll be right back. This is the finished look. And this was my chit chat. Get ready with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anyways, I will see you guys all in my next video.
Subscribe, comment video suggestions, follow my social medias. I'm most active on Snapchat and my Instagram spam account. But everything
will be in the description, especially the products that I used. Thank you for dealing with my hyperness today, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.